Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow, and is priced below $40,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, security system. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.